Yeah.
So now we got trim replaced
How
on
can
the outside.
you guys do that?
Watch and you'll see. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to slide this window up. If I can. These tracks here. Hold it up. And try to put this tape on the outside.
Hopefully one will make it stay.
It'll stay a second, but then we're going to put another piece on it.
See? And whenever we got the regulator out, we toss that over there.
Okay, so now we've got the window secured.
What is this track?
Okay, now we're going to get the new regulator. Okay, so now what we got to do is we got to try to get this back in, get it in the door. Okay, let's come around here. Around the wiring harness. And try. Get that back in there. So this part stays on the outside. Okay, so it looks like we got some bolts in here. Gotta get this back here. We're on the window. Well, let me get that in front of the window track. We got that side in. I'm gonna raise this side up. Where is... Okay. It's gotta go behind. Okay, so now we've got that hanging. All right, we've got more help now, don't we?
Yes.
All right, so what we're gonna do is we're just gonna take.
Because of me?
Yeah, because of you. We're gonna take these. All right, and we're gonna get these started. These are the ones with the washers.
Dad, did you know I could do this?
I had no idea. All right, hold on.
Okay.
We're gonna just get them.
Dad!
Just get them started.
Luke! Wait.
See? That little yellow knot right there. Alright, I'm getting grease on my fingers too. There's one more over here. And then with these. This is gonna go here. And we got one more here. So now we're gonna snug those up. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we're gonna take these. And I don't think we want to make it like a couple times, yeah. Do you believe that? No. All right, we're just gonna get them close. Okay. And for whatever reason, this whole assembly is a lot lower than what we need it to be. So we're gonna have to
try to do our best.
Well, yes. We are gonna have to try to do our best, but the window goes into this right here, and it's loose so that we can put the window in, but we'll have to raise it all up. So once we get these snugged up, slow down, not a race. Okay, now we're gonna move down to this one. That's good, that's good. Here done. So we got all our bolts tightened up. That means the regulator is in. Okay. Now we have to take a look at these wiring harnesses and put them back where they belong. So this one I believe goes here. This clips here. I'm going to be honest, I don't remember where that goes. That goes up there. Oh, that one goes in the middle. Gee whiz. Okay. So this is for our motor. These two here go together. And then there's like a alignment pin there. This one goes here. Because this is for the back windows, this is for the front. No. That's for the sensor. That's for the sensor. These are for the speaker. So we gotta make sure we get those back here where they belong. Okay, and then, so that's for the tweeter. So that goes here. That's for the small speaker in the door. That's what that's for. Now we're gonna take our motor. We're gonna get it positioned back up here. This put on. Now we gotta put our hardware back in for the motor. We gotta get the motor and the gearbox and all that stuff lined up here. Easy. Hold on. I don't think. So that's there.
Dada, I want to sit.
A couple clips here to hold that in place. And then we're going to get lined up with this. So there's a little sensor we're going to put on here next, okay?
With that?
Do you want to? All right, we're going to back it off just a little bit. Go ahead. Gotta let, when it makes that noise, that means it's done. Okay. Perfect. All right. Now, this little plug goes up into here like this, okay? So can you push it up in there and snap it in? Get it lined up, push it up till it clicks. All right, now we're gonna take that little red piece, shove it on up in there. Perfect. Now, that one's secure, okay? So we get the motor. This is a crash sensor. That's what makes the airbags go off if we're in a crash, all right? We don't ever want that to happen, but that's that sensor, okay? All right, so the next thing we're gonna do, I'm not sure, okay? Is we're gonna let this window down before we get too much other stuff in the way.
Is it going to go down?
We're gonna try to control it and get it in to the little clamps. Okay, and it looks like it went in there. See, Beck? If you look inside that hole, you can see the little silver clamps that are holding on to the window right up in there.
Oh, what is an inside door handle?
The handle that's on the inside of the door. Here, you gotta run this in. No, it's the one that you'll grab onto when you're trying to get in and out, right?
Yeah.
Let me get this one here.
Yeah.
Make sure this is okay. You're gonna do this one? All right, so that's on there now. Okay. We're gonna put our cable in, and then this goes. I'm not even sure I can do it. Okay. I gotta get that. We're just gonna pop it in place. I think.
I was singing how you do the camera.
You were. All right, so we're gonna take this little trim tool here. You see that pin that sticks up right here? We want that to go back in. It's in the hole in the bottom, so we're gonna take this, raise it up just ever so slightly. There we go. Now the door handle works. Pull this cable back, pop it in place.